Alrighty then, time for unboxing of mail. This is one well, it was unexpected. It was as a fact of I didn't know when it was going to turn up, and it's one of them. One of the two kickstarters that's out in the wild. And I see the name on the thingamajig, so I know which one it is, but I'll unbox it and we will learn together. Is that it all? Making sure. Yeah, there's another one I'm back in now. Haunting and like father, like daughter. Because if you've been watching my videos for a while, you'll know that one of the kickstarters that I did was like father, like daughter 1 to 7. But this here, you're going to put both in one. Yeah, never mind. Fall down. This is Haunting 1 and 2. And yes, and this is the new episode. Unlike the first two, this time my name's on the back, Stephen Kelly, of this volume issue 3. Because those two are catch-ups. That's the new issue 3, and as I said, that's like father, like daughter, haunting crossover, and it comes with a print, signed print. So yes, looking forward to reading these. Excellent quality paper as well. Oh yes, and all signed by Falco as well. All 3 signed by Falco, so yes. So yes, Haunting 1 to 3, haunting print. That was Kickstarter. Also got a DVD. I know which DVD this is. So Superman, Batman, Public Enemies. So that's another one from my collection. Don't actually think I've seen this, so that's even better. Anyway, that's enough from me. We'll chat with you soon. Subscribe would mean a hell of a lot to me. We're at 315, 125 to 500. Peace.